but the hairs of your head are all numbered. Matthew 10:30.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Princess Udori, and I am back with another video. Today's video, I'm gonna be doing a headband wig. This is my first time trying it. I have never watched any tutorial on it. I've just seen people unboxing a headband wig, and I've seen it worn. So today we're gonna be trying to do it. We're going to be attempting to do the headband wig. So I will show you guys everything I'm going to be using, and I'm going in with my tape basically to measure my hair and be sure, because I am making my band myself. I am using a certain material for that. I showed you guys already. I actually used it from one of my old clothes. So yes, and I'm using an old bundle. So this is basically my head. This is how many, 23.2 centimeters. That's what I'm going to be working with, but I'm going to be adding inches because I want my headband wig to be the type to tie at the back. So yes, let's make the band, then I'll get right into the video and explain everything. This video is going to be a voice over kind of video, so yeah guys, let's get right into it.
So first thing, this is my satin that I'm gonna be using for my band. My wig cap, of course, you definitely need a wig cap. I think this wig bank headband wig have its own wig cap, but I'm improvising for everything. You need needle, you need thread. I'm using a normal, like a straight needle. I need scissors, razor in case of anything that razor can do. Then these are my old bundles that I'm gonna be using. My sister actually gave me those hair and I've never touched them, so yeah, I'm touching them right now. So first thing first, we're gonna be trying to sort out our satin material to see our satin fabric, to see what we are actually working with. So I'm going to try my best to just take a good measurement of everything that I'm going to be working with, because there's a particular width and breadth, like length and breadth, the particular length and breadth that I actually want for this. For my length, I think it was 40 thereabout, while my breadth was 2 inches. Yeah, it was 2 inches. Then I started sewing. I sewed this, like I literally sewed it till like the end, and I closed the other end. After sewing, I had to like turn the headband wig. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch every single thing that I'm gonna be doing as it concerns my wig band, my headband, because this is me creating the band for my wig before getting to sew it. And I'm trying my best as possible to be careful while sewing. You don't want to injure yourself, as well you want to make sure that everything that you are doing is actually neat. So I'm going to be closing that end, and after closing the end, like I said, I went in with my scissors and I turned it to the other side of the material, because this is going to be like the inside, which is the rough edges. I use my scissors in doing that. For me, I'm comfortable doing this with my scissors. I don't know if you get to sew any rope or anything, but yeah, this is basically how I do this. Then I try to straighten up the edges as well. Straighten up the edges to make sure what I am working with is actually what I want. And basically, yeah, just straighten at the edge, because you don't want it to be like dragging together or anything. I would prefer you use an iron, but I don't have an iron. Okay, there is no light right now. I live in Nigeria and there is something called NEPA light. You get, so there is no light right now, so I can't get my iron hot. That's one of the crazy things that Nigerian influencers get to fix. So I use my scissors to just straighten that for me. And after straightening that, so we are heading off to putting this in the wig cap directly. So first thing first, I try to measure what I want and see what I'm working with, and try to make sure that those edges are not loud. Guys, please ignore my background, because I was trying to get like the goodest, is that even a word? I was trying to get like the best view for you guys, so you guys can see the hair, because I couldn't get my ring light on, because again there is no light and my ring light doesn't have a battery. So yeah, I'm trying to measure this. I'm using like this thumb tag. I don't know if this is called thumb tag pin, but I'm using this really cute pin to just pin this down. I forgot who gave me this pin. Jeez. I knew somebody actually bought these pins for me. Like the person just bought it and brought it to me. So yeah, I forgot who gave me the pin. If this person that gave me this pin gets to watch this video, I sincerely appreciate it because it has been really helpful to me. I didn't even expect it because I think it's not really somebody that's really close to me, and I was surprised it was coming. You get. So I'm sewing that headband wig down. I'm sewing my band down into my wig. I'm just doing like the regular hem stitch. Is this hem stitch? But I'm just doing like up and down. I don't know if you get, but that's like the regular way of sewing. So I'm just doing that to just place my wig down with that, place my band down with that. So that's basically what I am doing right now. And after this, yeah, you guys are gonna see how this comes out because I'm trying to flip it over. So I'm sewing it this way, so I flip it over forward. So just watch and see what will happen. Okay. Oh, cool. Okay. I try my best to make sure that my sewing line are neat and they are okay because I was scared doing this because this is my first time. So this is how it came out and I loved it. At this point I was like feeling myself already. I'm like, oh my god, girl, you're so skillful. Okay. I was already feeling myself in this particular video. So I went in with the bundles like I showed you guys already. So I'm just gonna use the bundles to just sew on the cap itself. I'm very skeptical. I didn't sew it on the elastic at the back to allow more allowances when I'm wearing it on my head so it can really enter my head properly. So yeah, so just sewing this down. I'm using hemming stitching to sew my bundles down on the wig cap. So yes guys, just watch and see. And basically you want to use this pin. The reason why I'm using this pin, it just helped me to have more control over what I am doing, and it's really helpful. I think every person needs to have like a pin. If you don't have a T-pin, you can get like a good pin that will help you really do this because you really need this as it concerns wig making. Okay, so we're sewing all of our bundles down, all of our bundles down. At this point guys, I was so tired. I didn't like eat because I haven't eaten and it was really early in the morning. But yeah, this is one critical part of the week that we're going to be entering, and of course I want to like explain further on how this particular part goes. So what I did was I sew that line, I just placed it like that and I sew it directly so I can flip it over to the back. Yeah, so at a point I was just going in lines and circular motions just to get what I want. I feel with wig bundle sometimes you are just strategic and control what you are doing, and other times you can just be more strategic in the terms of like marking your lines, marking your sewing line. And I feel marking your sewing line is actually going to make your work really neat and more precise. I was just doing this. I didn't really do the marking of lines because I really prefer that method. I think next time I'm going to be doing like a hairband wig, I'm going to do that because it will give me more control. It will help me manage my bundle basically. So guys, at this point of the week, I was like almost done. I was done, not like almost done. Okay, maybe let's say that because I'm still sewing. So I was almost done at this point of my week making. I was like in this point of like, okay, let me see what the finished work is. Let's see. I was anticipating this week till I finish it. That's why I wanted to like finish it. I spent like 2 plus hours, like let me just say 3 hours doing this whole week thing, like this particular week. And I was proud. Yes, it had some few faults. It had some few faults, but I was proud. And afterwards I went ahead and I cut off the excess, which is the band from the cap wig. And yes, this is my headband wig. This is my headband wig, of which I love how it actually came out. And this is when like, what? I really loved how this wig came out. Yes, I like I said, there were faults on the wig. So next time I'm really going to consider those faults because they are what will make my next headband wig perfect. And guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, share this video with a friend, and share your comment down below what you think about this video. Princess Udori, love you guys more, but God loves you most.